life can be much broader once you discover one simple fact, and that is everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you. And you can change it, you can influence it, you can build your own things that other people can use. And the minute that you understand that you can poke life and actually something will, if you push in, something will pop out the other side, that you can change it, you can mold it. That's maybe the most important thing.
Well, good morning. How's it going? Good to hear. Guys, it is a beautiful day on Cape Cod. Look at this background we got going on. Incredible. Start of the day, little beach walk, getting that sunlight in the eyes. I say it in every video, but super important part of my day is waking up and getting outside. If you're always under fluorescent lights, you're always in front of your screen, it's not good for your health, point blank. So that's why I make it a priority to get outside whenever possible. Time to walk this beach and then hit the gym, get a nice session in. We're just gonna get on with it. So let's go. Guys, on another note, check that out. I showed this house in a previous video, but this is one of my favorite homes on Cape. Manifest it. This is one of the reasons why we work hard. For that view right there. One thing I do when I go to homes like this, first of all, I love to surround myself around these kind of homes. Big reason for that, I actually heard something with Drake. He used to take his old beat up car when he was younger to the nicest neighborhoods in his city. He would visualize himself living in that neighborhood. Fast forward to where he is today, the Embassy is his place, and he owns the biggest home probably in the whole city. If you can see it in your mind, there's no reason why you can't see it in reality. The only thing is separating you from a millionaire is the money in the bank account. If you have the millionaire mind, you will get there eventually. I'm gonna walk down these beautiful stairs, and we're gonna go. We're getting it done. Let's go. All right, we are back from the gym, out of the shower, feeling good. Now, gotta get some sunlight before I start work. Get some olive oil on the skin. Treat your body right. It is a beautiful day out. Now it's time to work. Guys, so we have started work. So I'm going to meet with my cousins today. This weekend, we're gonna have a weekend all together. I'm gonna take you guys on this little adventure. I'm gonna finish up work and then we are off to Boston. Alrighty, we got the work done. Now we are off to Boston. All right, we are leaving Salem. We spent the night in Boston, went out to eat, did not film, but we had a good time with the cousins. Now we are heading back to the Cape, picking up our cousin from the airport. We're gonna have a good time. I'm gonna show you guys the pad. Let's go. All right, we'll see you tomorrow, bro. See ya. All right, we're heading to the airport. We're gonna pick up Jordan. This is JJ, my cousin. We're gonna have a good weekend.
Amazing weekend.
Give you a rinse, Alex? Filming? Yep. Oh man, what's up, YouTube? All right, guys, we just got back to the Cape. Now we are at the family's house, but we are heading over to the Airbnb. Surprising my cousin with this Airbnb. He doesn't know anything about it. He actually thinks it's a shack. So he's in for a treat. We are in Chatham. Chatham vibes. We got the bag. I was expecting a shed. We told Jordan we were getting a shed, a shack. We actually got a $6 million property. Optimal sack.
As long as I got you, baby.
Oh my God, dude.
As long as I got you.
Of course, we gotta go in the ocean when we get to the Cape.
It's a little cold.
It is a little cold out here. Oh, perfect. Is that a good thing? I think so. Makes it a little more adventurous, huh? We are going in that ocean right now. You ready?
Keep it filming. Keep it running.
Oh.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Well, we still have our clothes on. Let's just chill for a minute. Take it.
As long as I got you, baby. As long as I got you.
Yeah, it's like Ted Lasso. There you go. But you gotta get some noises in it, like a. Piece of me wants to dive in one more time. JJ, you down?
No, done.
As long as I got you, baby.
It was hard.
It was hard. Is that your boat? Get out there.
Was that gibberish? What did you say?
I'm chattering.
No, but what did you say? How'd that feel? Incredible, right? Incredible.
That did feel pretty.
Shiver a little bit.
Yeah.
Good to do in the morning.
Felt good. Now we are going back to the crib.
'72's never felt better.
All right, guys, we are making my specialty avocado pudding for the boys. Cacao, tons of antioxidants.
Some cinnamon.
Some salt, and then my favorite. And that right there, guys, is avocado pudding. Good morning. Good morning. All right, we're gonna get in a workout. It is the morning, Sunday. Got these beautiful views. Let's get some movement in. All right, workout is starting. We are starting with
Running up the stairs, to bear claws, to 10 push-ups, to 5 plank skiers.
let's go.
But I know they'll never own me.
Next circuit, what do we got?
They just hear like
You look out.
Rap music. It's usually fucking gnarly. We love those farmer carries. Finishing up these farmer carries, then we are off to the beach. It's Sunday. It's Mother's Day. It's a Mother's Day workout. You ready to hit that ocean?
Cannot wait, round 2.
It looks alright in the pictures. Getting caught off for the trip though, isn't it? I fall apart with all my heart. And you can watch from your window.
We are back. All right, now a little outdoor shower. Let's get clean. This little view. Good evening. We are having a nice time here at the pad. It's incredible when you figure out ways to provide value to other people. We got this house. It's actually $1,100 per night. Got it for $125 per night. So the whole time we were here, it came out to $880. So not bad. When you have value that you can provide, it can take you to some beautiful places. Good morning. Good morning, you two.
Good morning, you two.
Right there, JJ.
This is what's happening. Jordan got a little wrecked by the sun.
Just a tad.
Breakfast. Very good. All right, guys, as you can see, We had breakfast, I got morning sunlight, we had a great morning. Now, just been getting some work done, and then we're about to go to the ocean. We're going to the beach. This spot is one of my favorites in Cape Cod. So, let's go. All right, we are off.
Nico, one word of wisdom.
I think life's too short to be so serious.
JJ, one word of wisdom for the viewers.
Nothing more important than family.
That's right. Jordan, one word of wisdom.
Always apply sunscreen.
Last morning vibes.
The boys are off this morning. All right, fellas, we'll see you later.
We love you guys.
Love you guys.
Peace out, YouTube.
All right, guys, so that is the end of the video. I am left here in Chatham. I'm at this Airbnb for a little longer, and then it is off back to Hyannis. An incredible, incredible weekend with people that are very special to me. I appreciate you watching this week's video. Super, super excited for what's to come. And I'm very grateful that you guys follow along, that you guys play a part in my life. So let's keep these incredible moments coming, and I will see you in the next video. See you guys.
Life can be much broader once you discover one simple fact, and that is everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
Legacy, 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 legacy. Yeah.